In Yunnan, a province in southwest China, where we reside, there is a secret place. It is a paradise of nature on earth. Every sound from within can purify the soul. Nujiang Grand Canyon is the longest, most mysterious, most beautiful, and most precipitous canyon in the world. The sound coming from every direction is spectacular. The sound of the monsoon is majestic from above. The sound of the Nujiang River, raging and tumbling from below, grows louder as one gets closer. However, it can get softer and gentle at times. The river is sometimes opaque and turbulent, and sometimes clear and tranquil. On both banks of Nujiang Grand Canyon, there is a lush virgin forest where rich fauna and flora live and thrive. The voices of elves along with other creatures grow with healing spirits. Venturing into the depths of Nujiang Grand Canyon, one can see villages half hidden in the mists. With smoke gently rising from chimneys, all things are bright and alive. This is the sound of nature in Nujiang. This is the sound of peace in Nujiang.